Hi friends, welcome to day 47 of 100 Days of Pockets. In collaboration with Cindy A. Lewis, I have created this fun envelope flip-in pocket. I decorated an envelope with washi tape and I added it to the side of this journal page, and it's got a nice tag inside. If you want all of the instructions on how to create these pockets, check out my description box. There's a link to take you to Cindy's Ko-Fi site where you can download the instructions. Today you'll need a book page or a dictionary page. I'm actually going to use a pocket page. I'm sorry. I'm actually going to use a map page because I have already done a pocket on this side. So I thought I would go ahead and do today's pocket on this side. You'll also want a small envelope. You can make an envelope. You can grab one out of the recycling bin, just so long as it's a small envelope. You'll also want some washi tape or glue, scissors, or trimmer, and perhaps some scrap paper to cover your envelope. First thing we're going to do is seal the envelope, and then we're going to cut a strip right here so that we have a different opening. And what I'm going to do is, instead of stamping my envelope or decorating it in that way, I'm going to go ahead and use washi tape to decorate my envelope. All right, and this is going to be super easy. I'm just going to go ahead and take my washi tape and place it down on my envelope. And I'm wondering if I should alternate. I probably will, but I love this so much, but maybe I don't want to do the whole thing like that. Let me see what else I have. I think I found some that'll be pretty cute. So I have these fun teacups, and it still has blue in it, which I think is great. Now I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to cut all the edges. Now I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. All right, my friends, I got the envelope covered with washi. I think that looks so stinking cute. Of course, now realizing that the instructions say to go ahead and put this in like vertically like this, so it's the tall ways like this. But I am going to go ahead and do it like this. And that way we can see the washi. You know, it's not sideways. I don't mind putting things sideways in my journals, just so you guys know, but I'm going to go ahead and do it like this. So let's go ahead and cut first. That way we know that that part of the job is done. There we go. All right, so now we've got our pocket. Whoops. We've got our pocket right here. Now we are going to take a piece of washi and I'm going to put it right here on the edge like that, and we're going to open this up, fold it over like this, and if your washi, if you don't feel good about your washi tape, go ahead and add some glue underneath of it. I do that very frequently. All right, my friends, I have this pretty little tag that I can go ahead and pop inside of the pocket, and there we have a nice flip pocket. If you want to, you can cover your page with some writing paper, or you could even cover this side with writing paper, but I really like the way this looks, so I'm gonna leave it like that. Friends, please be sure to check out Cindy A. Lewis, see what she came up with for today, and I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. See you soon.